So we're going to give this a shot. This is the front trunk L-track cargo net from Tesla. This is the first time opening this, so we will see about how to install this. Okay, it comes with a net, which is good. Comes with that's it. 2 pieces of track, and that's about it. So we don't need the box anymore. And then let's see, this one will go here. This one goes there. I got a screwdriver, and I would assume I should have read the directions. Oh, they got some nuts. Nuts on that side, nuts for everybody. Let's see. I don't think I have. No, it's bigger than what I have. All right, I need to get another piece. All right. So there it is. It is a 10 millimeter. And I have an attachment. Okay, there's one. My fault. I got put it on the. Thank goodness for the magic of editing. All right. I imagine you'd set that in there. There it is. That's pretty easy. That unscrews there. That unscrews there. Fits in there. God, this couldn't be easier. Well, that's that. There we go. God, it took me longer to bring the tools out than it did to install it. This goes in here. This goes back in there, that case. And I don't think we need these anymore. And let's see, oh, kind of springy. Oh, so that's going to be nice because when I put things up in here in the front frunk, it always slides around. And now I can lash it down. That's it. Wow. Only 3 minutes. Anyway, all right, well, thanks for watching.